Early morning in the beach, Kudle Beach, day two, and actually I just came to catch some sunrise, but it's cloudy, so probably there's no sunrise. I mean, not able to view the sunrise, but it's beautiful. So we're gonna do the beach trek today. That's from Kudle Beach to Om Beach, Half Moon Beach, and Paradise Beach. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. Come on, guys. Yeah. Yo. Mountains. Can you guys see? Doordalle.
The actual trail of Gokarna beach trek is from Kumta beach. You can actually trek from Kumta beach and go all over the way till Gokarna main beach, but this would take like more than a day and you have to camp in one of the beaches at night. So most of them prefer to trek only till Paradise Beach. But yeah, I would definitely do the entire stretch one day. A beach in an Om shape. If you have heard about Gokarna, then you have definitely heard about Om Beach.
So we are done with the breakfast and continuing our trek from Om Beach. So Om Beach, I think the next one is Half Moon, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, let's go. This is a small river kind of a thing, and here is a restaurant, and there is Om Beach. Yeah, that's Om Beach. So yeah, the water from this river or a stream, whatever it is joining Om Beach. Yes. Yep. I mean, this trek is actually fun, you know, going from one beach to another. It's really very cool. Actually, this place Gokarna it's really awesome. I mean, you guys should really check this out. But at the same time, please don't pollute this place, because I was able to see lots of garbage, bottles, liquor bottles, water bottles on the beach. That's really bad, because you know this place is so good. You don't want to pollute this place. Please don't do that. Oh man, I feel good. Just look at this view. Yeah. Actually, the water is very rough here. It's not like Kudle Beach. You can see the waves are very, very rough. In Kudle Beach, it was not this rough. I think Kudle Beach is a place where you can actually play with kids or something. But this beach is not suitable for kids, is what I think. Yeah. See the waves coming. Suddenly it came so close. That's Kudle Beach. I'm sorry, that's Om Beach.
Back in 2018, I'd come here to do the trek, the complete stretch from Kumta till Gokarna, but had to cut it short and made it only from Nirvana Beach to Om Beach. I still remember how Om Beach was filled with foreigners that day.